We're here today at NCTA's Cable Show, where the buzz on the show floor is about how does the industry deliver on consumer demands for new converged services. I'm here today with Cisco's Ken Morse. Ken, what is top of mind for your customers as they enter this time of sweeping change?
So the sweeping change that we have in front of us is really driven by consumer demand. Consumers want to be able to access their content across the devices that are relevant to them in their life and wherever they happen to be, whether that's in the home or outside of the home. So their top of mind right now for our customers is really how do they put their network infrastructure in place to be able to deliver these services in a timely manner and, more importantly, in a cost-effectively manner. How do they leverage the existing plant that they have? How do they extend it as appropriate and build on the business models to actually monetize new services as they roll these out across a whole range of different devices?
What are you showing here at the Cisco booth that accelerates their IP transition?
So most of our customers are pretty agreed now on what the endpoint is for all IP video delivery. However, lots of them are going on different journeys on how they get there. And this is dependent on where they're really starting today with their existing plant infrastructure and also what some of their business motivators are. So with some customers, we have them moving to end-to-end IP very, very aggressively. And so what we're showing on the booth here is our industry-leading DOCSIS 3.0 solutions that deliver 10 times the performance at a fraction of the cost of existing DOCSIS 2.0 systems, and also enhancements to that allow adaptive bitrate technologies used for delivering to unmanaged devices over unmanaged networks, as well as over managed networks to be able to get a quality of service and a quality of experience that consumers expect, and now expect across a whole range of devices. In addition, some of our customers want to leverage their existing QAM plan, and so be able to cost-effectively leverage the existing linear and on-demand services they have, but to be able to extend those to a whole range of unmanaged devices, whether that's PCs, iPads, and mobile devices inside the home. To that end, we're previewing our hybrid video gateway platform that allows us to take in a whole range of signals off of the existing plant and be able to turn those into signals that can be consumed by those devices that the consumers are purchasing today and using in their homes, whether that's game consoles, connected TVs, iPads, and the like.
So how is your Videoscape initiative going, and where are your customers in the preparation process?
Videoscape is going really well. As I mentioned earlier, we've just announced our Videoscape Quick Start program, which is allowing customers to deliver TV Everywhere services across a range of devices. So given that it is an open architecture, we also have customers deploying different components of Videoscape today. On the content acquisition and workflow side, we have customers using our inlet transcoding solutions to be able to deliver high quality adaptive bitrate streams to endpoint devices. In addition, our content management system, Media Suite, is being used by 4 of the top service providers in North America today to actually aggregate content across a whole range of sources and again be able to deliver it down to devices the consumer cares about. Our content delivery network is deployed by 15 of the top 20 service providers today around the world, and they're using it again to be able to deliver a cost-effective and scalable solution for delivering video services as well as other objects and data down to devices on the network. So overall, Videoscape's off to a great start. In addition, as we move forward, enhancements in terms of things like the network management capabilities, because as we enable more and more unmanaged devices on the network, we have to have a degree of manageability and insight into those to enable the operator to be able to manage those devices effectively on their networks and not generate CSR calls that would impact the service. So putting all of these together, along with Cisco's extensive broad array of services support as well, gives us a very great foundational platform on it. In addition, Videoscape is different from a lot of the other solutions out there in that it actually balances the cloud, the network, and client devices in its solution. Other solutions are very cloud-focused or very in-home focused, whereas we believe very strongly that you need a balance across all of those to be able to deliver an optimized solution to your customer.
Ken, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.